In today's episode, I awkwardly get an appointment at a vet's to get Sonny his rabies shot, and whilst inside, Johnny meets one of the village locals. We then take Sonny to a beautiful lake to apologise for getting jabbed, where Johnny meets more of the locals. We meet a van life couple with a beautiful cat on board, we get Noodle a car wash, and then Kip in a frosty, pretty valley. Oh, and there's retail therapy in there somewhere too. If we haven't met before, then hi, I'm Janie, and together with Johnny, Sonny and Noodle the campervan, we are spending 6 beautiful weeks exploring the stunning country of France. Enjoy today's adventure, and I'll see you at the end. Good morning, everybody. We are in a little town called Navarrennes, maybe. We slept in a car park very close by in a place called Gurs. G-U-R-S, and the car park we were in was a memorial to a concentration camp that was on the same site back along. I think there was one to do with the Spanish War and one to do with the First World War. I haven't got my facts right on any of that, so take all of that with a bunch of salt. We had a really good night there. We've had a few really bad nights sleep, and we both slept like babies there, which is kind of bizarre being the old site of a concentration camp. Anyway, we've now come to the closest town. There were 3 vets here, and this one here, because he's on let me show you. Okay, so because he's from Romania, this is his passport, and that when I got him over from Romania, his name was Matteo. But I had to rename him. I didn't want him keeping that same name. So he came to us almost a year ago, the 24th of February, and before he's allowed into the UK, obviously he gets a rabies jab. That runs out on the 24th of January. So today's the 20th of January, and I have to get that redone in the EU. So today was the day that I had to go to a vet's and book him in for an appointment. Now, they don't teach you that stuff at school about how to book your dog in for a rabies shot. That was never covered in the school that I went to. Maybe nowadays they do. I don't know. That was the funniest conversation of my life. Me with my crappy broken French and the 2 lovely ladies in the vets. Honestly, anyway, we have got him an appointment for today at 5 o'clock. It was hilarious. I should have taken the phone in and just not videoed them, but videoed the conversation, because you lot would be peeing your pants with laughter. It was so funny. Anyway, Johnny's just popped into Carrefour, which is a little supermarket. He's gone to get his baguette and croissant of the day. And then he's going to come back, make his breakfast, and then I'm going to go in. And then we need to work out what we're going to do for the day, waiting for your appointment to see the lovely vet. Are you excited, bub? Are you excited? No, Mum. I don't like vets, Mum. They stick needles in me, Mum. It's not nice. That place I was telling you about that we stayed last night, the concentration camp car park, there were wild cats. There were probably 5, I think, that I saw. Cat poop everywhere. He kept trying to eat the cat shit. Honestly, he was probably trying to eat the cats as well, but we're just going to gloss over that because I don't want you lot thinking that he's horrible, even though at times he really is. Well, we got him to the vets. He had his jab. He also had a second jab that was also running out. I have no clue to this day what that one was for. But he was very good. He was very, very scared. The vet was so adorable. She was so kind with him and didn't push anything. She was just really calm and gentle and very respectful of how scared he was. It was really, really lovely. She also spoke really good English, which I was grateful for. And I have a feeling that it was her day off, because we drove to the vets to book him in, and then we went off and did things, and then we came back for the appointment later on. And she turned up just before I got out of the van with him. So I think because the language issue was such a problem when I booked him in, I have a feeling that they called in this poor girl on her day off just to come and deal with me because I couldn't speak the damn language. And this is the funny clip that Johnny took while he was in the car park waiting for us to come out of the vets. This little goat appeared from nowhere and just trotted along the wall, jumped down and ran off down the street. How flipping random is that? Look where we're parked up. Look at that. Oh my God. Gorgeous. And we got here for golden hour, which is perfect. So we've just done the vet visit. They gave him his rabies jab and another one, which I need to Google what it was for, but it was also running out. And I'm like, they said, do you want this one? Go on, yeah, go on then, do that too. And it came to €65.50. So he is now rabies vaccinated up for 3 whole years, which is just brilliant. Just brilliant. Oh my God, what a gorgeous evening. We were sat earlier in this old walled medieval town. Lots of medieval towns over here, which surprised me. It was bloody hot. So it's the 20th of January. And yes, we're in the south of France, but it was hot, really, really hot. I have a feeling though the temperature is going to drop a lot tonight, especially being next to this great big body of water. I imagine it's going to be proper chilly. This guy's just parked up next to us at the lake, and look! Oh my God, that cat is so beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. She's so pretty. I was about to take Sonny out for a walk. I've even got his lead on and everything, but I think we'll have to wait until that little one's inside. So pretty. It's the next day, and this is the 3rd time now he'll have met this bridge, and today he's going over it whether he likes it or not. So let's see how this goes. Come on, son. Come on. Come on. Sunshine, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Okay, well, there's no way that's going to happen. He got right down on his belly and wasn't having any of it. So I reckon we can go around here. Come on, you can do it. It's not scary this way. Come on. Oh gosh, bless him. There's a whole massive 3-kilometre walk around the lake the other side, but no, he's just getting stressed out now. Really, really don't want to do it. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to sit here a while. You come and have a little sniff when you're ready. He's doing it, everyone, he's doing it. Good boy, Sonny. You're so brave. Such a brave boy. Well done. He did it. What a good boy. Who knew those things could look so scary to a little dog? There, can we do our walk now? Good boy. There's such a fine line with a dog with trauma, and it's really finding that balance. Like, if we let him just be afraid the entire time and not push him at all, there's no way we would be in France with him right now. There's no way we would have spent a month in Scotland with him. And I have to believe that he is loving this life completely, and every now and then he just has a little hurdle like that. He just needs a little bit of persuasion getting through. Oh, he's such a good boy. That side. No, not that side. Come this way. Come this way. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Sonny. Oh, this is always fun. Floor clay. Which is really weird because at the beginning of the walk it was really sandy. So I don't know if they've brought that sand in just for the path or not. But this, look at my boots. This is pure clay. I've now picked up some adornment for my muddy boots. A little bit of bling, if you would. C'est très chic. Bonjour. Ça va?
Ça va.
Ça va. You say ça va bien, merci.
Ça va BBC.
What's on? You got everything open. You fixed my chair.
Fixed the chair. I've changed the glow plugs in the front.
Good one.
Hopefully that's going to solve that little issue.
He's been a busy bee, huh?
Washed the windows. I've hoovered.
Oh my gosh.
I've fixed that. That's all good again. I've just got a bag to put all of this lot in.
You being a domestic god.
The other bag is all wrapped. I've washed the back doors because they were getting mouldy at the top, aerating it all. All is good.
Wow, this is concerning. Johnny's just found a tick. It's January in the mountains in France. We don't generally get ticks in the UK in January. Burn it, that's what I always do.
It's a bit mean.
It's a tick! You can't get much more mean than a tick. Alright, we've got to the point, we're trying to find water, but actually we just saw this car wash with this step, so you can get up and do the solar panels. This is funny, we've just had a car wash and look, we're leaking inside again. Oh my god. Somebody has just been shopping. I'm very excited. We now need to go and find snow though, because I've just invested 55 euros, I think they were, in some winter boots. Aren't they so cute? Eek! And there's more. Not one, but two new pairs of leggings. I rarely buy myself new clothes, as you've probably noticed, because I really don't care about clothes. But I was on a bit of a bender this morning. I spent 100 euros in total. Go me. Right, Johnny's just been into the equivalent of Halfords over here to find a
Leak-off pipe.
a leak-off pipe. But he went in there and he stood there for ages while the guy was on the phone, and then the guy got off the phone and then walked out the room, and Johnny's like, oh, fuck what? So Johnny left. So we're no further forward with the leak-off host. Decathlon. Definitely done. Oh, Johnny wanted some boots as well, but he wouldn't go in there in the end either. So we need to find a patisserie, boulangerie, and then do some food shopping too. I should be embarrassed to say is our absolute favourite pastime in France is going food shopping in supermarkets. I mean, don't get me wrong, because I love doing it back home in England, but there's just something about these French supermarkets. Even Johnny, like, right up for it.
Wine shopping.
Wine shopping and cheese shopping for him. They're just so full of all these yummy goodnesses. So what can you do? Right, onwards. That night we parked up in this beautiful little park up right next to this little river, which was gorgeous. But as you can see, things have started getting chilly. So I recommend you hang around, hit subscribe so you can catch up with us in the next episode where things get really chilly. Anyway, that's all for today, friends. I will see you down in the comments. Until next time, à bientôt.